So hello, welcome back to the second lecture of P block element 2. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is oxides of nitrogen. Here we are going to study their names and their preparations. Clear? So see here I have written here oxides of nitrogen. So there are totally 6 oxides: N2O, NO, NO2, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. N2O is known as a nitrous oxide, okay, or another name is a laughing gas or laughing gas. Clear? So N2O is known as a nitrous oxide or laughing gas. NO is known as a nitric oxide. You know that lower oxidation number we are giving the suffix as us, and higher oxidation number we are giving suffix as -ic. So just now we will see their oxidation number also. So N2O is known as a nitrous oxide or laughing gas. NO is known as a nitric oxide. NO2 is known as a nitrogen dioxide. N2O3 means dinitrogen trioxide. N2O4 dinitrogen tetraoxide and dinitrogen pentaoxide. Clear? Now we will see their oxidation number. So before going to the oxidation number, one key point I like to tell them, that key point is that all oxides of nitrogen are acidic. All oxides of nitrogen are acidic except NO and N2O. You have to remember this, okay? So all the oxides of nitrogen are acidic except NO and N2O. And I told you in some my section classes, I don't know, somewhere I told you that, remembering CONO, NO2O are neutral oxide. CONO, NO2O. Yes or no? So you have to remember in this way, are neutral oxide. Yes or no? So here again see, this NO and N2O are the oxides of nitrogen. So this NO and N2O are which kind of oxide? Neutral oxide. So NO and N2O are neutral oxide. Clear? This is the point I have to tell. Okay, so it's very important you to understand. Remember CO, NO, N2O, CONO, NO2O, mug it up. So CONO, NO2O are which kind of oxide? Neutral oxide. Okay, so you remember here all oxides of nitrogen. And why all oxides of nitrogen are acidic? Because you know non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. So all oxides of nitrogen are acidic in nature except who? Except NO and N2O. So NO and N2O are neutral oxide. So I remember the shortcut, that is CONO, NO2O are nothing but the neutral oxides. Clear? Now we will see their oxidation number. So first oxidation number of N2O. So 2N plus O equal to 0. So 2N minus 2 equal to 0. So N will be equal to 1. Yes or no? So here in N2O nitrogen oxidation number is 1. So another name according to the I say in redox reaction we have studied, no, according to the nomenclature method. So its name will be nitrogen 1 oxide. Yes or no? Clear this part? So another name of this oxide will be what? Nitrogen 1 oxide. Clear? Why this 1? Because why this 1? Because here in nitrogen its oxidation number in N2O is 1. That's why nitrogen 1 oxide. If you see in NO, so NO if you see, so N plus O equal to 0, N minus 2 equal to 0, N equal to 2. So in NO N is 2, so its name will be nitrogen 2 oxide. Nitrogen 2 oxide. Clear? Similarly if you see here NO2 if you see here, so N plus 2 into O equal to 0, N minus 4 equal to 0, N will be equal to 4. So this name will be nitrogen 4 oxide. Yes or no? Now see here this N2O3. So if you do this N2O3, what answer you can get? So you can solve of yourself also. So when you solve this, written, no? Okay. Now see here, when you solve this N2O3, so you can get the answer as N2O3 2N minus 6 equal to 0. So N will be equal to 3. So here the name will be nitrogen 3 oxide. So whatever the number I am giving in this Roman letter, this number indicates what? This number indicates the valency of nitrogen in its particular, the oxidation number of nitrogen in this compound. Clear? Now see here, this N2O4 and this NO2. So see here NO2, this is N2O4, just I have double, no? So you have to remember this is a dimer form of N2O4. So one more key point to write down, that N2O4 is an dimer form of NO2. Why dimer form? Because NO2 is an odd electron molecule. It will combine with another NO2 and forms what? N2O4. So this NO2 will not exist as a NO2, actually it exists as a N2O4. So this N2O4 is a dimer form. You have to remember this, okay? If you calculate here also, the answer will come 2 only. See, check it out. So 2n minus 8 equal to 0. So 2n equal to 4, 8. Yes or no? N equal to 4. So here you can give the name as nitrogen 4 oxide. You can see nitrogen 4 oxide. Clear? See the name remains same, means the oxidation number in NO2 and N2O4 oxidation number of nitrogen remains same. But what is the difference? The difference is this NO2 molecule combined with another NO2 molecule to form a what? Dimer form. So N2O4 is a dimer form of a NO2. Okay. Why? Because this is an odd molecule electron, it will combine with other NO2 and forms what? N2O4. Clear this part? Okay, see here, this N2O5. What can be the name of this N2O5? So 2N plus 5O equal to 0. So 2N minus 10 equal to 0. N will be equal to plus 5. So I like to say this name will be nitrogen 5 oxide. Clear? So these are the name according to the nomenclature method, that is nitrogen, and this you have studied in redox reaction also. Okay. So you have to give here nitrogen 1 oxide, nitrogen 2 oxide, nitrogen 4 oxide, nitrogen 3 oxide, or nitrogen trioxide. How I calculated 3 or this 4 or this 2 or this 1, I am calculating using their oxidation number. One more thing you should remember here is that all the oxides of nitrogen are acidic except who? Except NO and N2O. In short, I remember in my previous section I had told you, you have to remember this CO, NO and N2O, CONO not 2O, CO, NO and N2O, these all oxides are neutral oxides. So all the oxides of nitrogen are acidic except NO and N2O. So what? NO and N2O are basic? No, NO and N2O are not basic, NO and N2O are neutral oxide. You just copy out this, then we will go with their one by one with their preparation. Clear? See, remember this N2O is known as a nitrous oxide. Why nitrous oxide? I told you, no, lower us. If the lowest oxidation number is there, you have to give the suffix OUS. So this is nitrous oxide, and higher oxidation number you have to give the suffix IC. So this is nitric oxide. Clear? Write down. Chalo. Clear? So copied. Okay. Now we'll go one by one preparation. So write down preparation. So make a note first. First you make a note for N2O. N2O. First write down something about N2O. Write down. Write down about N2O. It is a colorless gas. Write down. For N2O you write down it is a colorless gas. It's a colorless gas. It is also called as a laughing gas. It is also called as a laughing gas. It is called as a laughing gas. And last you write down it's a neutral oxide of nitrogen. It's a neutral oxide of nitrogen. It's a neutral oxide of nitrogen. So write down the preparation. See, you take ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 and you heat it. Means you have to do thermal decomposition. So you will get what? See, from here, how to remember? You remove the maximum number of molecule of water. How many maximum number of molecules of water you can remove here? See, here there are H is 4 and oxygen is 3. So maximum number of molecules of water can be removed is 2H2O. See here. Maximum number of water molecule I can remove from here is how many? So 4 hydrogen, no? So 2H2O. So see here 4 hydrogen, and out of 3 oxygen I have removed 2 oxygen. So how many oxygen is remaining? So 1 oxygen is remaining. Now how many nitrogen are there? 2 nitrogen. So this is the preparation. In this way remember the preparation. So this first preparation is of nitrous oxide. So you have to decompose the NH4NO3 and you heat it. So you get N2O and 2H2O. Clear? Right on the second preparation, you take iron or you take zinc and you react with dilute nitric acid. This acid should be dilute. Clear? When you react this, see, this is a metal and this is the nitric acid. Okay, yes or no? When you are in the standard 10, you know there is a one reaction, metal plus acid gives metallic salt plus hydrogen gas, but not case with the nitric acid, because nitric acid being a strong oxidizing agent, so the reactions were different. So when you react this Fe and Zn, this reaction, remember here only Fe and Zn will come, okay. So when you react it, you will get here Fe2O, you will get here metallic salt. First you will get here metallic salt, means their salt you will get, plus you will get here N2O, plus you will get here H2O. So this is the another preparation of nitrous oxide, clear? So here Fe plus Zn only react with dilute nitric acid. This dilute is very important. So when you react Fe or Zn with nitric acid, and that nitric acid should be diluted, you will get metallic salt. That is, either you will get FeNO3 twice, or you get ZnNO3 twice, plus you get H2O, plus you get N2O. So this is the another preparation of nitrous oxide. Write down this. Write down. Clear? This part is clear? Clear this part? Okay. So second we will go with NO. Second we will go with NO. So write down. Write down about NO. It is a colorless gas. Write down. It is a colorless gas. NO you write down. It is a colorless gas. It is a neutral oxide. It is a neutral oxide of nitrogen. It is a neutral oxide of nitrogen. Now see here. Here also I will take nitric acid. Here also I will take the nitric acid, that is dilute, and I will react here also metal. But which metal will come? Here Fe and Zn is coming. So remember one thing, when Fe and Zn will come, then N2O will come. But when the metals such as Ag, Hg, Cu or Pb, if it comes, metal like Hg, Ag, Cu, Pb, if they react with dilute nitric acid, here metallic salt will be formed. Now instead of N2O, here NO will be formed plus H2O. You have to remember this. These reactions are very important, you have to remember. See, when I react the metal like Fe and Zn with dilute nitric acid, then only I will get N2O. But if I react the metal like Hg, Ag, Cu, Pb with dilute nitric acid, instead of N2O, I will get NO. So with FeZn nitric acid, N2O, with Hg, Ag, Cu, Pb nitric acid, NO. Write down this. Write down this. Another important reaction. Write down another important reaction. Write down this. That first you write down when sodium nitrite reacts with iron sulfate and sulfuric acid. So sodium nitrite reacts with iron sulfate and sulfuric acid, it produce iron sulfate, that is Fe2SO4 thrice iron sulfate, sodium bisulfate, NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate, it produce NO and H2O. So this reaction is very, very important for the preparation of NO. So write down this, that when sodium, this is not a nitrate, you have to remember this is a nitrite. So when sodium nitrite reacts with FeSO4, it generate in the acidic medium, that is H2SO4, it forms sodium bisulfate, iron sulfate, that is iron 3 sulfate, and NO. Clear? So see here, I know it is a bit tough to remember, but certain reactions you have to remember here. Clear? See here now, to remember to N2O. So for N2O we have a two preparation. First preparation is by decomposition of ammonium nitrate. When you decompose the ammonium nitrate, how I ask you to remember? See, from this ammonium nitrate you can, how much maximum number of water you can get, that much you can get out the maximum number of water. So here 4 hydrogen I have, so I will get maximum number of water as 2H2O. Clear? Now, so from here 2H2O means I have removed 4 hydrogen, and out of 3 oxygen I have removed 2 oxygen. So now how many remaining? So there is remaining of 1 oxygen and 2 nitrogen. So N2O, we need this. Now here you come, metal plus nitric acid. We remember standard 10, metal plus nitric acid. You know metal plus acid, the reaction where metallic salt plus hydrogen gas. But when the acid comes for the nitric acid, there was an exception. Nitric acid being a strong oxidizing agent, instead of H2, they were generating H2O and can also generate the extra oxide of NO or N2O. Like you remember the standard 10, acid, base and salt chapter was there. In that one key point was coming. So here metal plus nitric acid will give what? Metallic salt. But here nitric acid means metallic salt plus instead of hydrogen gas, water will come and some other oxide. Now when Fe and Zn will come, you have to remember this. Fe and Zn is coming. So when Fe or Zn react with nitric acid, they will generate N2O. They will not generate NO. They will generate N2O. But the metal like Ag, Hg, Pb, Cu, when they react with dilute nitric acid, they will form metallic salt. They will form what here? Metallic salt. But instead of here N2O, here NO and water. So remember FeZn, N2O, Ag, Hg, Pb, Cu, NO. This part is clear? FeZn, N2O, but Ag, Hg, Cu, Pb, NO will come. And another reaction for preparing the NO is sodium nitride will react with FeSO4 in an acidic medium, that is an H2SO4. So first sodium compound will be what? Sodium bisulfate. Clear? Then iron compound will be what? Iron sulfate. And remaining is what? NO. And to balance the oxygen, we are putting what here? Water. Clear this part? Clear these two reactions? Clear these two reactions? Clear? Okay. So write down the third reaction, that is NO2. Or you can write down, next we will go to the N2O3. Clear? So third topic is coming N2O3. But before going to this, write down this N2O3 and write down one key point, that it is a blue color solid. It is a blue color solid. Yes or no? This is very important. This has been asked many a time in the MCQ. N2O3 is a blue color solid. Yes or no? Now see here, it is an acidic oxide or basic oxide? Neutral oxide. So I told you no, only two oxides of nitrogen are neutral, that is NO and N2O. Other rest all are acidic oxide. So this N2O3 will be which kind of oxide? Acidic oxide. So you can write down here, this is an acidic oxide. Write down acidic oxide. Now how to prepare? See, N2O3 if you want to prepare, you have NO also and you have N2O also. So how to prepare this N2O3 means, see, I'll take NO which I have, and I have one more oxide of nitrogen, that is NO2. Yes or no? See, check it out. I have this NO and I have this NO2 also. See, N2O3. So this will form N2O3. So in this way you remember the preparation, that is 250 Kelvin here. How much? 250 Kelvin. So see how to prepare N2O3. So see, I have two oxides of nitrogen. No, you combine that. I have one NO and another one I have NO2. So it will forms what? N2O3. Now same preparation I can go with other also. See, you know NO2 is also having a one dimeric structure. NO2 is also having one dimeric structure. So who is the dimeric structure of NO2? N2O4. I told in the previous starting of the lecture. So N2O4 is a dimeric structure of NO2. So I can prepare N2O3 with N2O4 also. Same 250 Kelvin, and I'll produce what? N2O3. Clear? We balance the reaction. So here 2, here 2. See, everything is balanced. 2 plus 4, 6, 2 nitrogen, 4 nitrogen. So N2O3 you can prepare in two ways. Either you react NO with NO2 or you react NO with N2O4. N2O4 is nothing but a what? Dimeric structure of what? NO2. So write down this is a preparation. And here you can make a note that N2O4 is an dimeric structure of NO2. Clear? Clear this part? Clear? Next. Clear? So N2O3, how to remember? See, this is very important key point, okay? It is a blue color solid, acidic oxide. So to prepare N2O3, it's very simple preparation. See, I have to prepare N2O3. So I have two oxides of nitrogen. That is, one is NO, another one is NO2. So when you combine this, see, N will become 2 and O oxygen means 1 plus 2, 3. So N2O3 prepared. But we know one more thing, that NO2 is also having one dimer structure, that is N2O4. So N2O4 is a dimer structure of NO2. So if I can take NO2, I can take N2O4 also. Yes or no? Because their oxidation number is same. Just they are dimer structure of this. So what I have done, I have done NO plus N2O4. Again I will get what? N2O3. Just balance the reaction. Means N2O3 can be prepared both way. Either you react NO with NO2 or you react NO with N2O4. And it is a which kind? Blue color solid. Who is a blue color solid? N2O3. N2O3. N2O3 is a blue color solid. You have to remember. This question is highly important, that which of the following is a blue color solid oxide? N2O3. Which of the following is a blue color solid oxide? N2O3. 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 Clear this part? Okay. So you write down next, that is NO2. Next oxide is NO2. Please, along with me, you also write down. Along with me, you also have to write down. So next is nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. First point, it is a brown color gas. It is a brown color. Write down this. It is a brown color gas. Yes or no? It is a brown color gas. Write down. It is a brown color gas. Sometimes when you go to the laboratory, in laboratory you will see some observation. Effervescence will come. Effervescence of nitrogen. Brown color effervescence. That brown color effervescence are nothing but which effervescence? Nitrogen dioxide. So write down first point, it is a brown color. It is a brown color gas. Okay. Next you write down, it is acidic oxide. Yes or no? It is acidic oxide. Write down. It is an acidic oxide. Clear? So write down the preparation. Now here you take metal, but now you have to react with HNO3. But in the previous cases, we have reacted HNO3 of dilute. See, check it out in your notes. In the previous cases, we have taken the HNO3 as dilute. But here now you have to take the what? Concentrated. Here you have to take what? Concentrated. When you take the concentrated, you will get metallic salt. You will get here metallic salt plus H2O plus NO2 plus NO2. So when you take concentrated nitric acid, you will get NO2. You take any metal. The best example of metal is that is zinc. So Zn plus HNO3, it will form what? ZnNO3, that is zinc nitrate plus metal plus acid gives metallic salt plus hydrogen gas, but not with the nitric acid. Remember standard 10, nitric acid was an exception. Being a strong oxidizing agent, instead of hydrogen gas, they were used to generate H2O and certain oxide. So here if you take concentrated, so it will come here NO2. So this is one preparation of nitrogen dioxide. Please remember this. It's very important. Next you see the preparation, that is lead nitrate, PbNO3. Yes or no? So PbNO3 twice, sorry. When you decompose it, thermal decomposition of PbNO3 twice, you get PbO plus NO2 plus O2. So this is one preparation of, another preparation of nitrogen dioxide. Third, you take the preparation of lithium nitrate, or you take zinc nitrate also. ZnNO3 twice. When you heat it, thermal decomposition, you get ZnO plus NO2 plus O2. Write down this. Clear? Clear this part? Write down. Chalo. Clear? Now I will give you one exception, and that exception is very important. Written, if you take sodium nitrate. So the exception is for the sodium nitrate. So I am giving the exceptional case. Okay. So this fourth is exceptional case. Okay. You take sodium nitrate, and if you heat it, and heating temperature is given is 500 degrees Celsius. So it will only generate NaNO2 plus O2. It will not give NO2. So this reaction, when you are generating, when you are heating at 500 degrees Celsius, NaNO3, when you are heating at 500 degrees Celsius, so sodium nitrate will give sodium nitrate and oxygen only. But this sodium nitrate, if you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, if you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, you will get Na2O plus N2 plus O2 plus NO2 plus NO2. Clear? So this sodium nitrate, when you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, sorry, at 500 degrees Celsius, you will get sodium nitrate plus oxygen. But when you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, you will get Na2O, N2, O2, and sorry, N2O. You will not get NO2, you will get N2O. You will get N2O. Okay? Sorry, NO2, sorry, NO2, sorry, NO2, sorry. Clear? So this is one exception, that when sodium nitrate is Here you heat any temperature, you will get NO2. Confirm you will get NO2. You heat any temperature, you will get NO2. But here for the sodium nitrate, we have an exception that when sodium nitrate is heated at 500 degrees Celsius, it will form sodium nitrite plus oxygen. But when that same sodium nitrate heated at 800 degrees Celsius, it will get Na2O, N2, O2 and NO2. Clear this part? Clear? Okay. So now next topic we will go. One more it is there. That is lithium nitrate. One more it is there. That is a lithium nitrate. So you can add on the lithium nitrate LiNO3. Yes or no? So you get Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. See here, sorry students, it will not come NO2 here. NO only will come, okay. Means this is the exception that sodium nitrate, whether you heat at 500 degrees Celsius or whether you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, NO2 will not be formed. Sorry for the last time, okay. Sorry, okay. See, you have to remember your reaction. More confusion will be there. See, this is only the exception that you heat lithium nitrate, you will get nitrogen dioxide. But if you heat sodium nitrate, how much you heat? You will not get nitrogen dioxide. If you heat at 500 degrees Celsius, it will form sodium nitrite and oxygen. But when you heat at 800 degrees Celsius, nitric oxide will come. Nitrogen dioxide will not come. So this is the exception that sodium nitrate, however, how much you heat, nitrogen dioxide will not be formed. Sodium nitrate, how much you heat, nitrogen dioxide will not be formed. Sodium nitrate, how much you heat, nitrogen dioxide will not be formed. Sorry for the last time, okay. So this is the exception that you heat lithium nitrate, you get nitrogen dioxide. But if you heat sodium nitrate, how much you heat, you will not get nitrogen dioxide. So this is an exception. Clear? Clear this part? Clear? Okay, next we will go. That is N2O4. So I told you, no? So N2O4 is a what? So I will write down here. Next, N2O4. N2O4, it's an dimeric structure of NO2. Clear? So what to do now here? See, check it out. You take NO2 and when you cool it, you get N2O4. And same you heat it, N2O4, you will get what? NO2. See, 2. So now how it is that, you know? See, for example, I have here NO2. If I have here 2, this is also one NO2, this is also one NO2. If you cool it, so they will combine. When they combine, they form what? N2O4. Now this is N2O4. When you heat this N2O4, again they will get separate and forms what? NO2. So this is the reaction. You have to remember this, okay? So this is the reaction, that is NO2. When you cool down, it will form N2O4, and this N2O4 when heated, it will form 2NO2. So this is a reaction of N2O4, and N2O4 is nothing but a dimeric structure of what? NO2. It is also which kind of oxide? Acidic oxide. It is also one kind of an acidic oxide. Clear? You can add on. It can be colorless, solid or liquid. One more point you can add on here. It can be colorless. Solid you can get, or you can get in liquid also. So it can be colorless, solid or liquid. Who? N2O4. Clear? So it is colorless, you can obtain in solid or liquid, and it is an acidic oxide. Clear? Now last portion is N2O5. N2O5. So how to obtain the N2O5? And this reaction you have to mug it up. But before going to this N2O5, write down, this is a colorless gas, it is a colorless solid and acidic oxide. It is a colorless solid acidic oxide. Write down, it is a colorless solid acidic oxide. Clear? So you have to remember the reaction here. You have to take here nitric acid, HNO3, and you have to react with phosphorus pentoxide, P4O10. Clear? So this is also dimer form, no? So P4O10 in, when you react it, it will form H3PO4 plus N2O5. N2O5. Now how to remember this reaction? See, I'm telling you this trick to remember. How to remember this? See, N2O5 if you see, so this is 2N minus 10 equal to 0. So N will be equal to plus 5. So this is the maximum oxidation state of nitrogen. Yes or no? In N2O5, nitrogen is how much? Plus 5. Means this is the maximum oxidation state of nitrogen. So I have to obtain the compound which of nitrogen which is in their maximum oxidation state. So I have to take the reactant also such a way that they are also in their maximum oxidation state. See, that's why I am taking HNO3. Now you see here HNO3. If you see this HNO3, see the nitrogen oxidation number. So 1 plus N minus 6 equal to 0. So N minus 5 equal to 0. N will be equal to how much? Plus 5. Clear? So here N2O5, in N2O5 nitrogen is plus 5. That's why I am taking HNO3, because in HNO3 also nitrogen is plus 5. This is not any kind of logic. This is a one trick to remember. Okay. So I am taking here the compound of nitrogen which is also in higher oxidation state. And you have to remember here you have to take one oxide of phosphorus which is also in their higher oxidation state. That is P4O10. So P4O10 in this phosphorus is also a higher oxidation state. Nitrogen in HNO3 is also in higher oxidation state. When I combine these two, I will get a compound of also nitrogen of also very high oxidation state. So who is the oxide of nitrogen of a very high oxidation state? This N2O5. So I will get this N2O5. And here I will get the acid of phosphorus also of very high oxidation state, that is H3PO4. Yes or no? So in this way you have to remember. Clear? So as nitrogen in N2O5 is plus 5, so I have to take one reactant of nitrogen which is also of plus 5, that I have taken HNO3. Clear? So I have taken here HNO3 here, and I have to take one oxides of phosphorus of higher oxidation state. This you have to remember, that is P4O10. When you combine these two, you know one compound N2O5 will come, and here H will be released. This H will combine with this phosphorus. So you know these are the non-metallic oxide, and non-metallic oxides are what? Acidic in nature. That's why they are producing their acid. So phosphorus acid is which? Higher oxidation state? H3PO4. So in this way, this is a trick to remember the reaction. So in this way you can obtain the N2O5. Clear? So I hope you remember this all oxide. You have to remember this 6 oxides. These are very important, and their preparation also is important. That blue color solid you have to remember, which are acidic, which are neutral, you have to remember. Okay. And if you have any other doubt in the preparation, you can ask me. Please remember this, that N2O4 is a dimeric structure of NO2. NO2 when it is cooled, so it will combine to form N2O4, and when N2O4 is heated, it will release 2NO2. So in this way you have to remember the reaction. Thank you.